Module 1, Class 2, Framework for Organizational Excellence. Welcome to Module 1, Class 2 of our course on Pursuing and Achieving Organizational Success. In this class, we'll dive deep into the concept of a framework for organizational excellence. These frameworks are structured models that organizations employ to not only attain but also maintain high levels of performance and effectiveness. Understanding frameworks for organizational excellence. A framework for organizational excellence serves as a roadmap, offering organizations a systematic way to assess, plan, implement, and continually improve various aspects of their operations. These aspects encompass vital areas like leadership, strategy, customer focus, employee engagement, process improvement, and results measurement. The ultimate goal is to provide organizations with a structured approach that aligns their efforts, identifies areas for improvement, and propels them toward a journey of continuous progress and, ultimately, excellence. Now, let's explore 6 prominent frameworks for organizational excellence. 1. EFQM Excellence Model. Definition: the European Foundation for Quality Management, EFQM, Excellence Model is widely embraced in Europe as a framework for organizational excellence. It consists of 9 criteria categories: leadership, strategy, people, partnerships and resources, processes, products, services and customer results, people results, society results, and key performance results. Elaboration: the EFQM Excellence Model is built on the principle of continuous improvement and aligning an organization's strategy with its daily operations. It encourages organizations to focus on all stakeholders and consider societal impacts. Those who adopt this model aspire to attain sustainable excellence by addressing all facets of their operations. Real-time example: in Pakistan, the State Bank of Pakistan, SBP, has been instrumental in promoting the adoption of the EFQM Excellence Model. SBP introduced the model in various public and private sector organizations to enhance their operations, align with international best practices, and elevate customer satisfaction. Case study: let's explore the case of Telenor Pakistan, a leading telecommunications company. Telenor Pakistan implemented the EFQM Excellence Model to enhance its customer service and operational efficiency. Through this initiative, they elevated network quality, reduced customer complaints, and heightened employee satisfaction. 2. Lean Six Sigma. Definition: Lean Six Sigma represents a data-driven, problem-solving methodology with a focus on eliminating defects, reducing waste, and improving process efficiency and quality. It merges lean principles, waste reduction, with Six Sigma methods, variation reduction, to attain operational excellence. Elaboration: Lean Six Sigma equips organizations with an array of tools and techniques to spot and eradicate inefficiencies and defects in their processes. It follows a structured approach, often adhering to the DMAIC, define, measure, analyze, improve, and control, or DMADV, define, measure, analyze, design, and verify methodology to achieve process improvements and foster excellence. Real-time example: in Pakistan, the banking sector has widely adopted Lean Six Sigma principles. Esteemed banks like Habib Bank Limited, HBL, and MCB Bank have harnessed Lean Six Sigma to streamline their processes, reduce errors, and enhance customer service. Case study: consider the case of Engro Fertilizers in Pakistan. They applied Lean Six Sigma methodologies to optimize their production processes, which led to reduced manufacturing costs, enhanced product quality, and increased overall productivity. 3. ISO 9001:2015 Quality Management System, QMS. Definition: ISO 9001 is an internationally recognized framework for quality management systems. It provides a systematic approach for organizations to ensure they consistently deliver products and services that meet customer requirements and comply with applicable regulations. Elaboration: ISO 9001 outlines a set of requirements that organizations must follow to establish and maintain a quality management system. It focuses on customer satisfaction, continuous improvement, and risk-based thinking. Organizations use ISO 9001 to enhance their processes, reduce errors, and improve product/service quality. Real-time example: many Pakistani manufacturing and service organizations have adopted ISO 9001 to demonstrate their commitment to quality. Organizations like Shangri-La Foods Private Limited have achieved ISO 9001 certification, enhancing their overall operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. Case study: consider the case of Shangri-La Foods Private Limited, a leading food and beverages company. Shangri-La Foods Private Limited's commitment to quality is evident through its ISO 9001 certification. This certification has enabled them to maintain high-quality standards across their product portfolio. 4. Baldrige Excellence Framework. Definition: the Baldrige Excellence Framework, developed by the U.S. National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, stands as a comprehensive and internationally recognized model for achieving organizational excellence. It comprises 7 categories: leadership, strategy, customers, measurement, analysis, and knowledge management, workforce, operations, and results. Elaboration: the Baldrige framework encourages organizations to take a holistic view of their operations, focusing on long-term sustainability and continuous improvement. It provides a structured approach for assessing performance across these 7 categories. Organizations can identify their strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities for improvement, and subsequently, take action based on these assessments. Real-time example: in Pakistan, while the Baldrige Excellence Framework is not as widely adopted as in the United States, some Pakistani organizations have applied similar principles. A prime example is Engro Corporation, which implemented a performance excellence program inspired by the Baldrige Framework. This initiative resulted in substantial improvements in leadership, strategy, and overall business performance. Case study: consider the case of Indus Hospital in Karachi, Pakistan. By applying Baldrige principles, Indus Hospital significantly enhanced its healthcare services. They achieved improvements in patient satisfaction, reduced waiting times, and increased operational efficiency, ultimately delivering better healthcare to the community. 5. The Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Award. Definition: the Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Award is a prestigious U.S. award program that recognizes organizations, including businesses, healthcare providers, education institutions, and nonprofits, for their commitment to performance excellence. It is based on the Baldrige Excellence Framework discussed earlier. Elaboration: the Baldrige Award provides organizations with a rigorous assessment process and feedback on their performance in key areas. Winning this award signifies an organization's commitment to excellence, leadership, and continuous improvement. Real-time example: while the Malcolm Baldrige Award is a U.S. program, its principles have inspired similar recognition programs globally. Pakistan could consider implementing a National Quality Award program based on the Baldrige Framework to encourage excellence among organizations. Case study: the U.S. National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, which administers the Malcolm Baldrige Award, could serve as a model for a similar institute in Pakistan to promote excellence in various sectors. 6. The ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, EMS. Definition: ISO 14001 is an internationally recognized framework for environmental management systems. It provides a structured approach for organizations to manage their environmental responsibilities, reduce their environmental impact, and ensure compliance with environmental regulations. Elaboration: ISO 14001 focuses on environmental sustainability, risk management, and continuous improvement. Organizations implement this framework to address environmental challenges, reduce resource consumption, and enhance their reputation as environmentally responsible entities. Real-time example: in Pakistan, organizations like Engro Corporation have adopted ISO 14001 to minimize their environmental footprint. Engro has integrated sustainability into its business strategy and achieved ISO 14001 certification. Case study: the Pakistan Environmental Protection Agency, PAC-EPA, could serve as an example of a regulatory body that promotes ISO 14001 certification and environmental responsibility among organizations in Pakistan. 7. ISO 22000:2018 Food Safety Management Systems. Definition: ISO 22000:2018 is an internationally recognized framework for food safety management systems, FSMS. It provides a structured approach for organizations involved in the food industry to ensure food safety throughout the supply chain, from production to consumption. Elaboration: ISO 22000:2018 focuses on preventing foodborne hazards, ensuring product quality, and complying with food safety regulations. Organizations implement this framework to identify and control food safety risks, maintain hygienic conditions, and demonstrate their commitment to producing safe food products. Real-time example: Shangri-La Foods Private Limited, situated in Karachi, Pakistan, is an excellent example of an organization that has implemented ISO 22000:2018 to ensure food safety. They have integrated food safety management into their operations to deliver safe and high-quality food products to consumers. Case study: Shangri-La Foods Private Limited, Pakistan. Background: Shangri-La Foods Private Limited is a renowned food processing company in Pakistan. The company, along with its management and dedicated professional team, is committed to providing halal, safe, convenient, hygienic, and high-quality food products worldwide. This includes a range of products such as ketchup, sauces, seasonings, pickles in oil, juices, and drinks. They achieve this by using quality ingredients and implementing the best manufacturing practices. Their primary focus is customer satisfaction and compliance with relevant legislations. Implementation of ISO 22000:2018. Shangri-La Foods Private Limited recognized the importance of food safety and decided to implement ISO 22000:2018 to enhance their food safety management system. They aim to ensure that their products met the highest standards of safety and quality. These frameworks empower organizations in Pakistan and worldwide with structured approaches to attain and sustain excellence across various facets of their operations. While the examples provided here are not exhaustive, they serve as compelling illustrations of how organizations in Pakistan have successfully implemented these frameworks to drive excellence and enhance their overall performance.